Yeah, hi Junaid. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you. Oh, give me a minute.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, hi Vimala.
Hi, hi, guys.
Hi, Vimla.
How are you?
Vimla, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, Rajesh, Junaid is L1,
Okay.
so can take care. And Junaid, his Rajesh is having 7 years of experience. If you can continue with the interview, all the best, Junaid. If you have any need of me, please ping me. I'll be joining. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Vimla.
Yeah, thanks Vimala.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, hi Junaid. How are you?
Yeah, hi, Rajesh. I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, let's start with the interview. Uh,
Yeah, sure.
can you introduce yourself? Like, what are your job and your project? What is your roles and responsibilities?
Yeah, thanks for asking. Hi, I am Junaid from Noida, working as a Java developer at Nextcast Software, and having 3+ years of experience in Java backend development. My expertise include like Java, Spring Boot, microservice, and Hibernate. And I have also experience in MySQL databases. And I have implemented unit testing and integration testing methodology to ensure software quality. And I actively participate in Scrum meeting, like client communication, to address any issue or requirement. And uh, as a Java developer with a 3 year of experience, I am responsible for designing, implementing, and maintain Java-based application. My role involves writing an efficient and scalable code like debugging, resolving technical issue, and collaborating with cross-functional team to deliver high-quality software. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, thanks for the information. Let's start with the questions. What are the main principles of object-oriented programming language?
Yeah, Oops is a technique to design our project in one of the better way. And OOPS stand for object-oriented programming. It is a programming paradigm that use object to design our application and computer program. OOPS main principle inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism which one object acquire all properties and behavior. And second pillar is abstraction. Abstraction is process to hide implementation detail and solving functionality. Like you can say, hide internal information and solving the functionality to user. And third pillar, like polymorphism. Polymorphism is allowed to perform a single action in different way. So you can say we can say polymorphism allowed to define one interface have multiple implementation, and polymorphism have two type like compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. And and next encapsulation. Encapsulation in Java process wrapping of code data together in single unit. Like example, a capsule which is mix of several medicine. Yeah.
Thanks, Junaid. But my request, like, can you talk a bit slow? Like, whatever the answers that you are telling is good, but bit,
Okay. Okay.
going a bit fast.
Okay.
It's good if you have like
Okay.
go a
Okay.
bit slow. Yeah, thanks. And could you please explain what is the difference between equal to not equal to in Java?
Yeah, we have two type of operator like equal to operator and not equal to method. Uh, but difference like equal to operator. Compare object reference to check if both refer to same memory location.
Okay.
But dot equal to method compare the content or state of object logically equality. So by help of dot equal to method we can override custom compromise. Like uh, example like for string s1 equal to new string pass abc and s2 equal to new string abc. So to differentiate object are created in heap memory, like s1 and s2 have different reference address, so s1 equal to s2 will be written false, but s1 dot equal to s2 will return the true, because because s1 and s2 will be referred to the same object in string constant pool. So it is a different.
Okay, good. Can you explain the concept of Java memory management?
Yeah, Java memory management. Java have a multiple type of memory, like heap memory. So let me think. Heap memory store object and class instance, and stack memory. Stack memory store primitive data type and references, and a garbage collection. Garbage collection work like automatically reclaim memory by removing unleachable object. So yeah.
Okay, good. So what is the difference between array list and linked list in Java?
Okay. Array list and linked list both are implemented in list interface and mention insertion order, and both are non-synchronized class. Like array list internally use dynamically array to store element, but linked list internally use doubly linked list to store element. And manipulation with array is slow because it internally use an array. Like if any element is removed from the array, so all other elements are shifted in memory. But in linked list manipulation with fast, because array list internally use doubly linked list, so no bit shifting is required in memory, and array list is better for sorting and accessing data, but linked list is better for manipulating data. And generally, when I can use array list in initialize and default capacity is 10, but
Okay. Do you know about this Java access modifiers? Hello. Do you know, am I audible? Sir, I lost your voices. Now you're good.
Yeah.
Do you know about this Java access modifiers?
Java access modifier, like Java have a multiple type of access modifier, like public, protect, and default, and private. Like public means like we can access from if we can access from other class, and protected mean accessible with the same package but subclass, and default is accessible within same package, and one or more private access modifier. Private access modifier accessible within the declared class.
Okay. So I just wanted to understand this concept of exception handling in Java.
Okay. Exception handling.
Yes.
Okay. Let me think. Exception handling in Java is one of the most powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error. So we can say the normal program can be maintained. So exception is an abnormal condition, and why occur a reason of exception, like device failure, loss of network connection, and like code error, and we have two type of exception, like checked exception and unchecked exception. Checked exception, these exceptions are checked at a compile time, like if some code with a method throw check exception, then the method handle exception or not, and unchecked exception. These exceptions are not checked by compile time; it's checked by runtime. And we have multiple type of keyword handling exception like try, catch, block, finally block, throw, and throws. Try catch block handle the exception gracefully, and finally block always execute if exception is occur or not. Then throw. Throw manually throw an exception. Throw is used for manually throw an exception, and throws declare the method might throw exception. Yeah.
Okay, good. So, what is the difference between abstract class and interface class? Can you repeat the question?
Okay. Abstract interface.
Yes.
Yeah. In Java, both abstract class and interface are used to achieve abstraction, right?
Yeah.
Abstract class have an abstract or non-abstract method, and interface have only abstract method. All right. Abstract class support final method, but the interface class does not support final method. And multiple inheritance is supported by abstract class, but multiple inheritance is not supported by multiple interface is not supported by abstract class, but multiple inheritance is supported by interface. And abstract keyword is used by declare the abstract class, but interface keyword is used declare the interface class.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay, good. So, do you know about this static keyword?
Static keyword.
Yes. Why, what is this static keyword is used for?
Yeah. Static keyword we can use static variable, static method, static block, or static class. Like static variable, static variable share across all instance of class, and static method we can static method we can call without creating an object. And static block used to initialize the static value, and static class. If we are creating static class, so we can't override class with other in other class.
What about the final keyword?
Final keyword final keyword we can use multiple purpose of final, like final variable. If we are creating final variable, so we cannot initialize once create. And final method, if we are creating final method, so we can't override by subclass. And if we will make final class, so we can't override by a nested class. It is a final.
So, I just wanted to know what is multi-threading in Java, and how can you achieve this multi-threading?
Multi-threading.
Yes.
Yeah, multi-threading. We can achieve multi-threading by thread class or runnable interface.
Okay.
But
Fine. That's fine.
I can't remember right now.
No issues. That's fine. What is the Java collection framework?
Yeah. A collection framework, we can say a collection framework is undefined architecture for sorting and manipulating data of object, like core collection interface like a list, set, map, and queue, and collection interface implementation like array list, hash set, hash map, and queue, and utilize like collections class or algorithm for synchronized data.
Explain the difference between HashMap and TreeMap.
HashMap process tree.
Yes.
Map is implemented by interface, but and TreeMap is implemented by a navigable map interface. And by help of HashMap, we can store entity based on hash code. But by help of TreeMap, we can store red black tree structure.
Red black.
Like HashMap. HashMap time complexity is O1, but TreeMap is time complexity is O log n.
Okay. So what are the lambda exceptions in Java?
Lambda expression introduced in Java 8 allow to write a short, simple function block or code. So we can say simple function without need to define full method. They are mainly used to simplify code when working with the interface that have only one method, like interface. So lambda expression a way to write anonymous method directly in body of another method. So why use lambda expression? It makes your code clean and more concise, especially when passing behavior, method or argument. So it is a lambda expression.
Okay. So what is the difference between serializable and externalizable interfaces?
Serializable, externalizable. Serializable interface is a marker interface handled by JVM and JVM automatically. But extend serializable is extend serializable by handle of JRE and let me think like.
Fine. No issues.
Yeah.
Got it.
Serializable control over process like JVM handles serializable automatically, but externalizable full control over the gate serializable, and performance serializable is faster. But external serializable performance is slow rather than serializable.
Good.
Yours.
Good. What is JDBC?
Hello.
Yeah. What is JDBC? Am I audible, right?
Yeah. JDBC an API for connecting and executing query with the database, like driver manager, connection, statement, result set. And JDBC support CRUD operation and transaction management.
Okay. So explain the difference between throw and throws in Java.
Yeah, throw you to explicitly throw an exception within method, but throws declare the method might certain exception. Like syntax of throw, like throw new exception and pass the error, and syntax of throws like public void method throws IO exception.
Okay. So what is this Singleton class?
What
What is the Singleton class?
Singleton design pattern.
Yeah,
Okay.
Singleton class. Yes.
Singleton design pattern said that just define a class that has only one instance and provide global access of point. So we can say a class must ensure that only single instance should be created and single object can be used of other classes. Like advantage of singleton design pattern, like by help of a singleton design pattern we can save memory because object is not created at each request, only single instance is reused again and again. And singleton design pattern is mostly used in multi-threading and database application.
How do you
So-
implement this Singleton? How do you implement it?
First the constructor should be private, and a static variable should hold the single instance of class, and public static method should be private, and thread safety. We have two type of singleton design pattern, like early instantiation and lazy instantiation. Early instantiation is create of instance at a load time, and lazy instantiation creation of instance when is required.
Okay. So, what is the difference between string and string builder?
String string is a immutable, like if like we can't change after after once create, but string builder is a mutable. So string builder is allowed to modification without creating new object, and string is a thread shape, and string builder is non-thread shape, and string is a slow, and but string builder is a fast performance.
What about string buffer?
String buffer is also mutable, and it is also thread safe, and string buffer method are synchronized, but string buffer slow than string builder due to synchronized overhead threading.
Okay, so I'm good. So my last question is like, what are the design patterns? And can you name any few like most commonly used journey patterns?
Okay. Design pattern means a design pattern a reusable solution to common software design problem. And we and Java have multiple type of design pattern. Like I have used in my project some design pattern like singleton design pattern, and factory design pattern, abstract factory design pattern, and builder. And but Java have multiple type of design pattern like adapter, and proxy, and command, and iterator. But I have used only three design pattern, like singleton design pattern, factory design pattern, and abstract factory design pattern.
Okay, good, Junaid. I think I'm done with this interview. Actually, we are looking for fresher candidates, but you have I think you have more knowledge than a fresher. Good. The HR will contact you for further process. Like you'll be having another manager round, which they are testing your communication and other skills. Just prepared for it. The HR Vimala will contact you for the further process. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay.